You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase or this name, as well as how to say more French cooking terms and names of dishes from French cuisine that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Vin Chaud. Vin chaud, it literally means hot wine, but it generally translates in English as mulled wine, mulled wine, mulled wine, vin chaud, vin chaud. Vin being French for wine, chaud for hot, vin chaud. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.